Welcome to my channel. Today I'm take about 10 foods to eat in the morning. Number 1. Berries. Berries of all kinds, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are an excellent way to start the morning. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and contain disease-fighting antioxidants. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber and packed with antioxidants that may reduce inflammation and decrease risk. Number 3. Flaxseed. The high protein and fiber value of flaxseed makes it an ideal addition to the breakfast table, and below we look at 5 breakfast recipes to enjoy Linwood's milled organic flaxseed with. Number 4. Oatmeal. Whether it's steel cut or rolled, quick cooking or instant, oatmeal is good for you, experts say, with a few caveats. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, which promotes fullness, eases the insulin response, and benefits gut health. Number 5. Eggs. Eating eggs is absolutely healthy to do every day. Unless you have concerns about cholesterol, they are the best source of morning protein and are delicious. Number 6. Fruit. Fruit can be a delicious part of a nourishing breakfast. All types of fruit contain vitamins, potassium, fiber, and are relatively low in calories. 1 cup of chopped fruit provides about 80–130 calories, depending on the type. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, both of which can enhance alertness and attention, which is especially beneficial in the morning. Also, drinking this tea before exercise may increase fat burning and reduce muscle damage. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are tasty, satisfying, and nutritious. They're a great addition to your breakfast, as they're filling and help prevent weight gain. 52–53. Even though nuts are high in calories, studies suggest you don't absorb all the fat in them. Number 9. Protein shake. Having a protein shake at breakfast combined with some fruit or complex carbs and healthy fats makes a complete, balanced meal that provides the energy and nutrition you need. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Try topping Greek yogurt with berries or chopped fruit to increase your meal's vitamin, mineral, and fiber content. Greek yogurt is high in protein, helps reduce appetite, and may aid weight loss. Certain types also contain beneficial probiotics.